Let's take a closer look at this Delta kitchen faucet. You can see here that it has the handle or the on-off hot and cold valve in the unit itself, so there's a single hole that goes into your countertop. Second feature is it has a pull-down weighted cord that goes down underneath the sink, and it retracts up and magnetically back in place. On this side you can see that we can change from a flow to a spray, which is very handy, and the fact that this pivots anywhere you need in the sink, plus the pull down, gives you a very large range of motion. This particular unit here is roughly 15.5 inches tall with a spout reach of 9.5 inches. This is a champagne bronze color in this swivel kitchen faucet. It's extremely durable. I installed it myself. I highly recommend this faucet for your kitchen from Delta.